Welcome back to the channel, guys. Back on the beautiful R1M. I've done a lot of these videos where I take my bikes to car meets, but I've never done one with the R1M, so that's exactly what we're doing today. This is a really good car meet group. There's always like cool cars and all, so I'm really excited for it. It is a pop-up. They announced it very last minute. It's supposed to be like low-key, but usually that means that there's gonna be like nicer cars coming and all. And also it's a cruise. I'm still debating if I'm gonna go on the cruise or not, just because it's at night. There's gonna be a lot of cars. A lot of people don't know how to drive, so I don't know if I want to like risk pretty much riding around, especially because all my friends are not riding. They're all scared because it's too cold. It is really cold right now. It's 55 degrees, but gotta ride the R1M, get some content for you guys, some reactions maybe, we'll see. The R1M definitely doesn't get as many reactions as the H2, obviously. A lot of people can't even tell the difference between the R1 and the R1M, which is totally understandable. Winter's coming up, less and less people want to ride now. I'm still gonna be riding, guys, don't worry. I'll still give you guys some content. Oh, I also get asked all the time about my motovlogging setup. I made two videos, guys. One of them for like my actual like GoPro setup, what GoPro, how did I set it up and all that, and the other one's for my settings, so you guys literally know everything to film videos just like mine. And all the products are also linked in the description, so it's like even easier for you guys. You can literally just click on the links that I put in the description of every single video, and you can literally buy everything that I have, well, besides the bikes. Holy cars. It's right there in that parking lot, and there is an insane amount of cars. Let's start from the far side, because that's where everyone is. I'm surprised there's no cops already. Alright. This is where all the cool cars are, huh? Oh, you guys parked down there? Okay, I'll go that way. Half wrapped. Royce in here. Oh, that's interesting. I'm the only bike here? What the hell? I know. Appreciate it, man. Huh? Oh, no, I'm not gonna take the bike over. Man. Literally. I went the opposite way, that's why. Yeah. Bruh, I just got back from the gym like I was stressing, trying to get here ASAP.
It's cold as fuck.
I think I hear your R1. You go down, up and down Jamboree a lot, right?
Yeah.
I see one R1. I think it's yours, yeah. Because I know the sound. It's very peculiar R1.
Yeah.
I don't know.
So many people. Carbon. What the? No way that was real. Okay. Somebody really didn't like this, alright. All the GTRs. Whoa. Wait, so they unwrapped it? That's why I missed it. That's wild. Bro, that actually looks way better in person.
Like without a windshield, that's fucking.
I already have the helmet on. Where are they at? It's epic.
I like
DDE's in here.
I said yes, but...
That was loud. There we go. Everyone leaving, the revving started. And the cops are right there. Alright, I'm gonna go on a little bit of the cruise with you guys. Because I'm the only bike here. Everyone was like, it's too cold. So, we're the only ones surrounded by a million cars. Everyone has like limo tint. So, I'm not trying to get ran over, you know? Way too hectic to be in a bike. I gotta be aware of like all 360 degrees. The M3 is like, nah, it's way too cold for the roof to be down. To be following my friends, but they are gone and lost forever. There's no way I can find them now. so many rocks thrown at me. I had no idea where I was going. Good thing I recognized you. Not bad for stock. Benefits of being in a bike, I get to skip all of this. Yeah, all the exotics are way behind. I left before them, unfortunately. Sorry guys, I wanted to leave when the exotics were leaving, but is it Taco Tuesday? It is, it's Taco Tuesday. That's why we're doing tacos. It is freezing right now, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I suffered cramps and extreme cold temperature. I sound like a little baby right now. It's definitely like high 40 degrees right now. But it was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and I'll be going to more car meets very soon with the H2, the favorite bike. I already know. Gotta show some love for the R1M though. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Ride safe. Peace out.